everyone. So I decided to do another look with the Sesame Street. I was thinking of doing orange and yellow, but those greens are calling to me. So it's this one and that one. Just putting on a Wet and Wild. I don't know if it's the foundation I put on my eyes, but really not showing that good. I'm pulling at my eyes. Wow, that is so pretty. Nice. Put that in the crease. And the same frosty color that I've been using as the highlight. Since this is such a frosty green, I'm just gonna put more in the inner corner. Hey, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. I didn't think I would like this gloss as much as I did. It looks like a gold with a green duochrome. It's white with a green duochrome and gold shimmer, but it goes on really pink, and I love that. I just really love that. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Anyway, I just use the pink in the palette, the contour in the palette, the face palettes that came with the collection. And I just used the highlight in the inner corner, and I did put some gold gloss, gold glitter on the inner part of the eyes, and that's it. And I will see you guys next week. Mwah.